graphical inequalities. We've done quite a few of this. So the first thing to do is to decide what are the lines that you need to draw. So for x less equals 5, you need to draw x is equals to 5. For y greater than minus 1, you need to draw y is equals to minus 1. And for y less than x plus 1, you draw y is equals to x plus 1. Those are the three lines you need to draw. And you can tell this means that it is a full line. This one means that it is a dotted line. And this one also means you're going to get a dotted line. The first two lines are quite easy. X equals to 5. So x equals to 5 is a line that's going to... So let's check. That's a full line. And x equals... So let me get the right color. X equals to 5 is this line here. Can you see that? So that's equals to 5. That's x equals to 4. That's x equals to 6. So that is x equals to 5. So write down here x is equals to 5. Make sure that you know. And we can at this stage sort of work out where our region is going to be. So let me write this down. So our R is like that. Is it on the left or on the right of the diagram? So look at this. X is smaller than 5. So smaller is always on your left. So you know your region is going to be that. You can, I suppose, if you want, just do really light lines to indicate that the area that you do not want is on the right hand side, and then the region you're looking for is on your left hand side. So the next one, y equals to minus 1. Now y equals to minus 1, again, it's another line, but we know this time is going to be a dotted line. So I'll use green. Y equals to minus 1 would be here. Notice this is a dotted line. So y equals to 0, y equals to 1, y equals to 2 on the y-axis. So y equals to minus 1 here. So let's put it down. This is y is equals to minus 1. Let's look at our region. Well, our region is y greater than minus 1, so R, the region, is above. That's fine. Now let me shade the area that I do not want, so that is, we're not interested on anything that's at the bottom. It doesn't look very clear, but you get what I mean. Finally, y is equals to x plus 1. Now, we always have problem drawing this graph, drawing this line. Now remember, this is how we do it. We do when x equals to 0, we need to get 2 points, and we do when y equals to 0. If we get 2 coordinates, we can draw the line. So when x equals to 0, y is 0 plus 1. So y is x is 0, 0 plus 1. So that's equals to 1. The coordinate xy is 0, 1. Now when y equals to 0, look at this. I'm going to write the equation one more time. Y equals to 0, so 0 is equals to x plus 1, therefore x is equals to minus 1. So the coordinate is minus 1, 0. So two coordinates, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. 0, 1 is there, minus 1, 0 is here. Looks like our line is going to go through here, straight up. Now this is the dotted line. So let me get the dotted lines with a different color, maybe blue, and that's going to go from here all the way up. Let's write the equation down. That is y is equals to x plus 1. Let me change it to blue so that is consistent. Now, but this inequality is y smaller than x plus 1. So y above is big, below is smaller, so it has to stay within here. So this is the region that we need to, that's the region that we want. And then we just sketch again and say that this is to show that clearly the region that we want is actually not there. So the region is R. Now actually the question says shade the region. I suppose at this stage you might want to shade it with a highlighter, and that's the region that we want.